Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Good morning. It's Friday, 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 Friday. It's Friday today. If you don't remember what today is when Mrs. Hensley asks you what day of the week it is, there's a problem because you should remember that it is Friday, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, today is Friday, isn't it, friends? Okay, let's get to our calendar. Let's stop wasting time because we have a Friday to enjoy, right? Before the weekend. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 was yesterday. What is today going to be? 9, right? 9. Is it going to be a pumpkin or a bat? Let's see. Bat, pumpkin, bat, pumpkin, bat, pumpkin, bat, pumpkin, bat. Or black, orange, black, orange, black, orange, black, orange, black. All the bats are A. All the pumpkins are B. Here we go. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. We said all the bats are A's. So 9. Today is October the 9th, 2020, isn't it? What day of the week is today? And if you don't know, I'm not going to be happy with you. What is today? Today is Friday, isn't it? Friday. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Hensley, it is Friday, and it starts with a Friday. Okay, so today is Friday. What will tomorrow be? What comes after Friday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Starts with an S. Saturday. Good job. Saturday, my friends. Tomorrow is Saturday. Okay, what is the day that comes before Friday? Listen. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What was here? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday. Thursday. There's that naughty TH. Thursday. Very good. So yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday, right? Okay, let's go over here and count how many days we've been in school, okay? So we need to add a straw right here, and we need to add a tally right there, and let's count. We have 3 10s. Okay, so 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, there's 31. 31. So that is written a 3 and a 1. 31. We have been in school 31 days. Okay, we're going to go right over here to write the date. Okay? Right over here to write the date. We're going to do it in blue today. Okay, who remembers what month is today? October, October. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, 5, 10. 10. So it's 10-9-20, or the abbreviation for October, 9, 2020, or we can write October out, can't we? October 9th, 2020. Okay. Who remembers what flag that is? And who remembers what the statue is? Okay, the American flag or the United States of America flag. It has 50 stars and 13 stripes. 50 50 stars are for the 50 states in the United States of America, and the 13 stripes are for the 13 colonies. This is the Statue of Liberty, and the Statue of Liberty is located in the New York Harbor, okay? In New York, New York, okay? Today, see what we're going to do today. Today, we are going to do letter sound cards. I like letter sound cards. I don't know why, but I do like letter sound cards because I get to mix them up and we do them different ways. Not just like the chart where we do it in ABC order. Okay, so we have letter sound cards. You have a letter naming fluency and you have a letter word sound fluency. You have a math seesaw activity that you will be doing. And we have a 5 senses scavenger hunt. And I believe that's it. Okay? Oh, well, you'll need to pick from your choice board too. Mrs. Hensley hasn't been saying that in the daily messages, but I have sent it out. So you will do one of those activities every day. Okay. I hope you guys have a fabulous Friday. I can't wait until the end of the day because I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something this weekend. I would like for you to tell me something good. Okay, you're going to use your microphone. Tell me something good. I also would like for you to give me a purple heart. Okay, I want a purple heart today. And I want something good. Tell me something good. My good is it's Friday and I get to enjoy my family over the weekend. Okay? I hope you guys have an awesome, fantabulous Friday, and Mrs. Hensley will see you soon. I miss you guys. I can't wait to see you. Love you. Bye.